There has been a sense of cautious optimism with regard to the situation in Libya over the last few months, especially since the signing of the ceasefire agreement on 23rd October 2020. The Council witnessed and welcomed the political progress achieved, including establishment of the Government of National Unity, charged with the conduct of elections on 24 December 2021. However, as we heard from the Special Envoy, despite the progress, there are still causes for concern. The security situation remains fragile despite a reduction in violence. The adverse impact of the conflict on the economy has been exacerbated by the pandemic and disintegrating financial institutions. The involvement of external forces in the internal affairs of Libya has negatively impacted the progress on the political track. Mr. President, the next 6 months will be critical for Libya as it embarks on a journey towards peace and stability. It is incumbent on the international community and the Security Council in particular to continue to provide support to Libya in this critical phase. Today's meeting will, therefore, help in conveying a message to all stakeholders in Libya. In this regard, I would like to make the following suggestions. 1. Elections need to be held as planned on 24th December 2021 in a free and fair manner. In order to achieve this, it is vital that the constitutional basis for conducting elections is agreed upon early. Regrettably, consensus in this regard is still elusive. The Libyan parties, and in particular members of the Libyan Political Dialogue Forum, need to continue consultations among themselves in order to arrive at a workable solution at the earliest. We would also urge the House of Representatives and the High Council of State to frame required legislation for the conduct of elections.
ABP Sonja, Josh Jazba, Junoo.